Zephaniah, come sit down. Okay, so I'm here for my hearing test. Okay, so put on those headphones right next to you, but these are ones that you use for your phone.
Do it!
Oh, okay. Okay, tell me if you hear anything. I don't hear anything. Okay, then we'll try again. Okay, I'm not doing this. Wait, what do you mean? You know, I'm just gonna leave. I'm not gonna come back. If you leave, you'll die. What do you mean?
You better sit down or you won't like what happens next.
Oh, okay, then. Well, okay, then.
Put on the headphones.
Are you seriously gonna kill me with that? That's it!
Kill him now!
What?
You're dead.
No, please!
Oh no! Ow! Ow! Oh no, please no! Ow! No! Ow! No! Please no!